Okay, well, good evening. Sorry I missed you in class. Sorry about the power outage. Couldn't help that. But if you stay with me, I'm gonna guide you through all of the problems, as many as I can. Hopefully, all of them for the review for the test on Thursday. And Olaf back there might sing you a song on the guitar if you're lucky. Well, let's do this. So, problems 1 and 2, I'm going to chunk together because they're very similar. So you're asked in problem 1, the following confidence interval is obtained for a population proportion P, and you have the numbers. Use the interval to find the point estimate. Well, you should know that the point estimate is in between the two numbers, and it's the midpoint in between them. So to find that midpoint, the best way to do that is to just add these two numbers together and then divide by 2, and that's going to be your midpoint. So the 0.867 and the 0.901, to find the middle of that, add these two numbers together and divide by 2. So 0.867 plus 0.901, add them together and then divide by 2. And my math is very bad right now. Divide that by 2, I'm going to get 0.884, I think. Someone double check that for me. Not that you can respond. Yeah, that's right. So p hat is equal to 0.884. Okay, that's number 1. Okay, I'm not going to write it up there anyway. It's gonna take too much time. Okay, next, number 2. The following confidence interval is obtained from population proportion P. 0.575 is less than P is less than 0.605. Use the confidence intervals limits to determine the margin of error. Okay, we should also know that the margin of error is added to each p hat. I'm sorry, it's added to p hat here, and then it's subtracted from p hat here. So to get the 0.575, it's p hat minus e, and to get the 0.605, it's p hat plus e. So that being said, to find the margin of error, what you have to do is really just add these two numbers together and then subtract the two numbers and then divide by 2. Because essentially, to go from, I'm going to call them 1, 2, 3, like 3 steps, right? To go from 1 to 2, I add e, right? And to go from 2 to 3, I add e. So between 1 and 3, there's 2 margin of errors, essentially. So I take that difference, 0.605 minus 0.575, and then divide that by 2. So 0.03, that's equal to twice e, or 2 margin of errors. So then therefore the margin of error is just 0.015. Oakley dokley. Oh, I wrote over my photo. So that subtraction is 0.03. That's equal to 2e. Divide that by 2, 0.015 is equal to e. And then I would write that number up there. All right, that's numbers 1 and 2. I'm going to keep moving as quick as I can. Stay tuned.